Our first city destination in Florida is Naples, Florida. And did you know that Naples, Florida is the best place to retire? Because of the residents' healthy lifestyle and the positive outlook in life. And aside from that, there's a lot of beaches and a lot of activities that you can do in Florida or Naples, Florida, and that's what we're going to talk about. So, things to do and places to visit in Florida. Let's find out.
So what you can see on my background right now, that's the oldest house here in Naples, Florida. It was built 1985.
So that's the first one, the Naples Historical Society, which is actually just beside the Naples Beer. Second must visit place is Naples Beer because there's a lot of activities that you can do there, and all those things to do are like fishing, kayaking, paddleboarding, dolphin watching. It is known for dolphin spotting destination and again popular fishing destinations. So that's the things that you can do there. And again, Naples Pier is well maintained and opens 24 hours. Again, it is an historic pier that is very well known for fishing, bird watching, dolphin spotting, and I forgot earlier, the scenic sunset view. It's very, very nice. And for the address, you can see that on the screen right now. So if you wanted to visit, you can just type in that in Google Maps. Third, I should mention this because Naples, Florida is one of the wealthiest cities in the United States, and it's famous for high-end shopping. So third is go to downtown, go to shopping mall. There's a lot of malls downtown that you can visit. And aside from that, Naples is also famous for world-class culture and sophisticated dining. So you can go downtown. You have a lot of things to do there, like fine dining. It's very beautiful, and also we visited some museum. Fourth will be definitely the Naples Beach. There's a lot of beaches everywhere, and I will name some for you. So first is Slaughtermill Park. It has 2,785 reviews in Google. And next is the Delner Wilderness Park. It has 2,405 reviews. And the Clam Pass Park, which has 1,464 reviews. Fifth will be the Naples City Dock. There's a lot of yacht and it's very beautiful. So I recommend you to check that out. We love like sightseeing, checking for houses, real estate, and residents or neighborhoods. So that's what we did. We drive around and check beautiful houses. I hope you like this. Whoa, look at those big houses. You think how much will houses cost here in Florida, in Naples?
Well, it's very broad. Where exactly?
Here in this place, in the subdivision, like
This is, you know, they will range anywhere between $6 and $50 million.
Whoa, that one looks good.
These aren't obviously $50 million homes. These are like 7, 8, maybe 10.
Wow, I like this one too. It's all mansion. I like that one. Wow.
Look around, look over there. That's not Coons, but it's close. Close. That's the Coon's place right there.
This one?
Yeah.
Wow.
Last time I checked, it was $19 million.
I don't like the color, but it's the architecture is nice. I like mostly white, clean white. That one.
So you and I are doing home shopping right now. We have to agree on one house right now.
Yeah. I want having second floor. This one is nice too, but doesn't have second floor. Same as this one. I like this one. That. I'm gonna show the picture to you and the videos. Oh, careful. Oh, nothing's here yet. We can buy the lot. Wow, I like it. I can get a lot of pictures here.
I want to see if that one house is still there. It's a very odd shape, very futuristic shaped house. It's almost like a rectangular house. And it's made at least half of it's made out of glass.
Really?
It's white too. It has like the garage is circular. So I'm not sure if that's the right place to find it. But
There's still a lot of like renovation that they're doing here. Landscaping. Oh, there's a beach. I think
this in the back is where like essentially your boat garage. You can park your boat in the back.
Still under renovation.
And of course, Naples, Florida, since everybody's retiring there's a lot of cool cars. Ferrari, everything, all sports car. I believe I saw that on the road. So one other thing that you might consider doing when you're in Naples is go to a dealership, because for sure they will have a lot of cool cars, like what we did. We go there and check some cool stuff. So
you have Lambo over there. Bentley. This is my favorite though. Oh, I like that color blue. I also have McLaren. It's nice. I like this one. And then Ferrari inside. Ta-da. Lamborghini.
The funny thing is, I don't have a red Ferrari. Everybody's supposed to have at least a red. Everyone wants red. I would say one better be red. I would say your first one's red, but personally I like the different colors, but that's like best seller because of. It's called a spiker. Look, even this is made by hand. Look, it's right here. The gas cap worth like $2,000.
What? Can I go inside?
Likely not.
Huh?
Likely not.
Why?
Because they have people who carry the leather.
Number 8 on my list is the Naples Botanical Garden. They have 2,604 reviews in Google, so it's definitely be like must visit place in Naples. So I'm gonna show you some pictures because I don't have a video of it, so check this out. So number 9, you should go to the Naples Zoo at Caribbean Garden. They have 3,394 reviews in Google. Feel free to check that out or read all the comments. It's awesome. And last but not the least is the Seminole. Well, I'm not really fond of casino, but if you are, then number 10 on my list will be the Seminole Casino. But since I'm not, might as well, I'll recommend the Naples Princess Cruise. This is one of the most elegant yacht in Southwest Florida that has 149 passenger rooms. So might as well try to go there. It's very beautiful. So that's all for today, guys. That's my 10 recommendation or 10 must visit or place to visit in Naples, Florida, and plus the things to do. So I hope you enjoy this video and you like it. If you do, kindly click the like button and subscribe. And also click the notification bell so that you'll get notified every time that I'm going to post videos. So thank you and see you soon.